What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as ChaChingKing, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your business policies for shipping with Ground Advantage. And I think you're going to need probably 6 total, but I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up one in as few steps as possible, and then you can make the others as you see fit. But you're probably going to need it up to 4 ounces. You'll need Ground Advantage from 4 to 8 ounces. You'll need Ground Advantage from 8 to 12 ounces, and from 12 to 16 ounces, and probably from 1 pound to 2 pounds, and then 2 pounds to 4 pounds. You're going to cover a lot of ground with that, a lot of Ground Advantage with that. Let's go ahead and dive in. All right, from the Seller Hub, where we're at right now, I'm going to go up here where my name is, and I'm going to click on Account Settings. And from Account Settings, I am going to scroll down to where it says Business Policies. We want to look specifically at shipping policies. So we're going to, right here where it says Create Policy, we're going to click on that. And you're going to notice that I can set up a payment policy, a return policy, and a shipping policy. Let's set up a shipping policy. And we are going to call this Ground Advantage 0 to 4 ounces. I don't need a policy description in here for me. And I am going to set mine up on the flat cost, the same for every person. You could easily do calculated. If you are new to shipping, I recommend doing calculated so you don't lose any money. But I've got enough built into my pricing strategy that if it's $1 or $2 difference on the shipping, it isn't going to kill me. I'm going to do flat, same cost to all the buyers. And right here where it says services, I'm going to click the down arrow. And I am going to go down to Ground Advantage. And I know that up to 4 ounces, I am going to charge $3.49. And I don't do anything different with the additional one. If you were selling a lot of multiples of things, then you might do 0 if you were like selling cards or something like that. And my handling time is 1 business day. I'm not doing a separate international shipping, and I'm not doing a separate shipping rate table. I am not creating an exclusion list, but you could. You could go through here, and if you live in Florida and you're shipping heavy stuff, you might exclude Hawaii and Alaska. But I'm not doing that. I live in Central Texas, which makes most of the United States reasonable for me. And then I click Save. You should be able to create these policies now based on what you need. I've reached out to eBay, and I am trying to find out if there is not some way around converting all of our first-class listings over to Ground Advantage for those of us that weren't using policies. As soon as I know an answer to that, if there is a shortcut or a way around, I'll share it with you here. That's it for this very short tutorial. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.